Instructions for our smoked bone broth ramen meal kit. The taste works. For optimal results, you need to defrost, ideally in a refrigerator overnight. Most critical are the noodles. You need to be able to separate them like this. Don't break them. Pop the frozen broth into a small pot. Loosen the sides by soaking the container in hot water. On low heat, gradually melt the broth. Don't rush. Patience is virtue. You don't want to evaporate too much of the liquid. Whisk the broth and make sure the ice is gone. Gently simmer and add the pork belly. It will cook fast. Transfer to a bowl. A sane person would have already had hot boiling water ready to go on a second burner. Cook the ramen at a roaring boil for 1 minute. Shake the water off, add to the bowl, and loosen the noodles. Add your favorite toppings. Leafy greens. How about some turnips? A sunny side fried egg. Sesame seeds because I had them around. And of course, hot chili oil. There you go. A bowl of restaurant quality ramen in the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and follow us on Instagram if you like this video. COVID-19 shut down our restaurant, so now we're food blogging. Stay tuned for more.